What if I told you there's an animal that's as clever as a cat, as fast as a dog, and can even use Earth's magnetic field to hunt? Foxes are among the smartest and most adaptable animals in the wild. From freezing Arctic regions to hot deserts, they have learned to survive in almost every environment. In this video, you'll discover 50 amazing fox facts that will completely change the way you see these incredible animals. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Foxes belong to the dog family, known as Canidae. Fact number 2. The red fox is the most widespread fox species in the world. Fact number 3. Foxes live in forests, grasslands, mountains, deserts, and even cities. Fact number 4. There are more than 35 species of foxes around the world. Fact number 5. Foxes are highly intelligent and adaptable animals. Fact number 6. A fox has excellent hearing and can detect small animals underground. Fact number 7. Foxes have vertical pupils similar to cats. Fact number 8. Their long bushy tail is called a brush. Fact number 9. Foxes use their tails to keep warm during cold weather. Fact number 10. They are mostly active at night. Fact number 11. Foxes are omnivores and eat both plants and animals. Fact number 12. Their diet includes rabbits, birds, insects, fruits, and berries. Fact number 13. Foxes can jump surprisingly high when hunting. Fact number 14. They often pounce on their prey like cats. Fact number 15. Foxes can run up to 50 kilometers per hour, 31 miles per hour. Fact number 16. A fox's thick fur helps it survive cold winters. Fact number 17. Foxes communicate using many different sounds. Fact number 18. They can produce over 40 different vocalizations. Fact number 19. Foxes mark their territory using scent. Fact number 20. Most foxes live alone rather than in packs. Fact number 21. A fox's home is called a den. Fact number 22. Baby foxes are called kits. Fact number 23. A female fox is called a vixen. Fact number 24. A male fox is called a dog. Fact number 25. Kits are born blind and helpless. Fact number 26. Their eyes usually open after about 2 weeks. Fact number 27. Both parents help care for the young. Fact number 28. Foxes are excellent swimmers when necessary. Fact number 29. They have an amazing sense of smell. Fact number 30. Foxes use Earth's magnetic field to help locate hidden prey. Fact number 31. Arctic foxes can survive temperatures below -50 degrees Celsius. Fact number 32. The Fennec fox has the largest ears relative to its body size. Fact number 33. Fennec foxes live in the Sahara Desert. Fact number 34. Their large ears help release body heat. Fact number 35. Arctic foxes change their fur color with the seasons. Fact number 36. Some foxes can climb trees. Fact number 37. Foxes are fast learners and good problem solvers. Fact number 38. They often hide extra food for later. Fact number 39. Foxes are very playful animals. Fact number 40. They use facial expressions and body language to communicate. Fact number 41. Foxes have excellent night vision. Fact number 42. They help control rodent populations. Fact number 43. Foxes are important for maintaining healthy ecosystems. Fact number 44. Some fox species are endangered. Fact number 45. Habitat loss is a major threat to foxes. Fact number 46. Foxes have lived on Earth for millions of years. Fact number 47. Wild foxes usually live between 3 and 6 years. Fact number 48. Foxes in captivity can live over 10 years. Fact number 49. Fact number 50. Foxes are among the smartest and most adaptable wild animals on Earth. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing animal facts every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.